guys, welcome to my tutorial on how to launch an instance on AWS. I hope you guys all find it really informational, so just keep watching. So the first thing you're going to want to do is log in to your AWS account and go to services and search for EC2 and then click on running instances. And then since we want to make a new one, we'll click launch instance. So scroll until you see Ubuntu, which is free. So I select that. And then click the T2 micro because that's the free one, which you want to do. So then you can just go through all this, and then for shutdown behavior, one thing that I found is you can change it to terminate if you want to, but I don't really want to terminate it, so I just click stop. So whenever I stop it, it just stops instead of deleting. And then click next, add storage. But this is fine, so we'll just keep that. And then we click next, add tags. And so I'm gonna make one tag called visual new because I don't have any tags right now so far. And you can add another tag if you want. You have up to 50 tags. So I just click next, configure security group, and we just want to make it simple right now, so just SSH, which is at port 22, and click next. Just double check everything, you're reviewing everything. Everything seems to be in order, so click launch. And then it tells you to select an existing key pair, and mine is visual new. And then click the checkbox, and you can launch your instance. And then while it's launching, you can go to services, click EC2 to go check on your instance. My computer is being a little slow. And then you can see the instance that I just made, which is running, and it doesn't have a name yet. So I added a name called test2 because I already had test1. Yeah, and I just refreshed it a bunch of times until it said 2 out of 2 checks. Yeah, so then since it's running, you can just keep it going, and then down below at the bottom, I'm just expanding it now, you can see the DNS is there, and the IP address is also given, and just like a bunch of different properties about your instance. So it gives the availability zone, which is the US East one, and then you just refresh it until the status checks, instead of initializing, it says 2 out of 2. So you just refresh a bunch of times. Yeah, so you basically just keep refreshing it at that arrow where my cursor is until it finally shows 2 out of 2 checks, which it will shortly. Yeah, so yeah, now that it shows 2 out of 2 checks, your instance is running and you can upload your websites for other people to view. Hey guys, thanks for watching my tutorial on how to launch an instance on AWS. Be sure to watch my next tutorials because they're going to be really informational on how to use AWS. So thank you and subscribe.